pulmonary artery is different than the other arteries in your body, and it's important to know the difference during surgery. It carries deoxygenated blood because it's going from your heart to your lungs. It is very short, wide, and large, and it has to be very distensible because it's carrying a large volume of blood. So it's different in a major way because acts more like a vein. It's soft and pliable, and it has almost no smooth muscle in it. So when you are working with it, you have to realize that it's very soft. I've heard one doctor describe it like he's touching a stick of butter. So imagine yourself touching a stick of butter that's out at room temperature, and you'll have a pretty good idea of what the pulmonary artery is like. So the pulmonary artery can bleed a lot and very quickly. So after this, I'm going to give you a personal example of a situation that I ran into in the operating room. And the reason I do this is in the hopes that it will give you something to add to your arsenal, because I know that I added to my arsenal from personal experiences and from experiences that other people had. So I'm hoping to better equip you, and I hope this helps.